Hi guys, today I will show you how to delay clicks on a REALME C17. To turn on this function, in first step we must navigate to the setting, where we have an option additional settings. We click there and now we choose accessibility. In accessibility we scroll down to find touch and delay. Hold delay. We press that and now we can choose hold delay between short, medium and long. And this function can be helped when we touch the screen by chance. And until strong push it won't open anything. And that's all. Thanks for watching. Bye.